Today I'm making one of the easiest one-pan chicken dinners you'll ever try. Tender chicken, creamy potatoes, and a rich homemade sauce made with just a few simple ingredients. I'm using 4 bone-in chicken thighs because they stay juicy while simmering. Season them generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Then let them marinate while you prepare your potatoes. Instead of regular onions, I'm using 2 shallots. They have a mild, sweet flavor that melts beautifully into the sauce and gives this dish an extra touch of richness. I have also sliced 4 medium potatoes into even pieces about a 1/4 inch thick. Uniform slices help them cook evenly and absorb all the wonderful flavors. Melt a little ghee or butter over medium heat and cook the shallots until they're soft and fragrant. This simple step creates the flavor base for the entire dish. Place the chicken on top of the shallots and brown it on both sides. You're not cooking it through yet, you're simply building flavor with a beautiful golden crust. Also, avoid moving the chicken too soon. Letting it brown undisturbed helps develop better flavor and prevents it from sticking to the pan. Now arrange the potatoes around the chicken so they cook in all those flavorful juices. And my favorite part, pour in 1 bottle of beer, enough to come about halfway up the chicken. If needed later, you can add about half a cup of water to keep everything gently simmering. Don't worry, the alcohol cooks off completely, leaving behind a rich, savory flavor. Cover the pan and let everything simmer gently for about 30-35 minutes until the chicken is tender and potatoes are perfectly cooked. Now pour in a cup of heavy cream and sprinkle in freshly chopped chives. Let everything simmer for another 5 minutes until the sauce becomes smooth, creamy, and silky. The chicken is fall apart tender, the potatoes are perfectly soft, and the creamy sauce is packed with flavor. Spoon plenty of that delicious sauce over everything and finish with a few extra chives. This simple one-pan dinner is perfect for busy weeknights, but it's also elegant enough to serve when family and friends come over. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy homemade meals. And always, thank you for watching.